Available now at the Moorhead Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2011 Case IH Magnum MX210 with 995 hours. This MFD tractor features 210 horsepower and a 19-speed power shift transmission, along with collar shuttle shift. Moving on to the rear, which is outfitted with a 3-point hitch, 4 remotes, and a 540/1000 PTO. And over to the rear tires, which are 480-80R46s with 85% tread remaining. And to the front tires, which are 380R34s with 85% tread. And up to the Deluxe Cab, which features cab suspension and electric mirrors, along with joystick controls and air conditioning. If you are interested in this Case IH Magnum MX210 and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you are interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.